Good morning students. Today we will discuss about the third chapter of geography, our changing earth, part 2. In previous video we have discussed already the two types of forces, endogenic forces and exogenic forces. In this video we will discuss about the major landforms on the earth. Major landforms on the earth. Okay, due to the different type of natural process, the major type of landforms are found on the earth. The landscape is being continuously worn away by two processes, withering and erosion. Withering and erosion. It means the broken of the rocks. Withering means, withering is the process up to the rocks on the surface, earth surface, and erosion is the wearing away of the landscape by different agents like water, wind and ice. Understood? Clear? The eroded material is carried away or transported by water, wind, etc. Today we will discuss about the work of a river. Work of a river. River form the different types of landscape. The running water in the river erodes the landscape when the river tumbles at steep angles over very hard rocks or down a steep valley sided. It forms a waterfall. Waterfall. Understood? As the river enters in the plain, it leads to transforming large bands known as the meander. जब रिवर माउंटेन पर होती है तो ये हार्ड रॉक को कट नहीं कर पाती, ठीक है, जो रनिंग वाटर होता है, इससे क्या होता है, वाटरफॉल का निर्माण होता है. देयर आर सो मेनी वाटरफॉल इन आवर कंट्री ऑल्सो एज वेल एज इन द वर्ल्ड. ओके, Angel waterfall is the highest waterfall in the world in South America. Clear? And in our country, the Jog and Garsoppa waterfall is the highest waterfall in Karnataka on the Sarvati rivers. So rivers also make a landscape waterfall. Clear? When river enters in the plain, it forming a large bands known as meanders. Clear? Meanders. You can show in this mode. When river cut this part from here, it not carry the load and cut this part. This is called the Oxbow Lake. And this is the meander. Okay, and when river enter in the plain, it flood to deposit layer of the soil and other material called the sediment along its banks. This lead to the formation of flood plains. The ridge banks are called levees. These are the landscape made by the river. Okay, flood plains. Flood plains भी river के द्वारा ही बनते हैं. It is very fertile soil. Understood? In our country, the northern plain also formed made by the two rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra. It is very fertile soil. So it leads to the floodplains and levees also, levees. levees. Also the landscape made by the river. Okay, it is the raised bank of the river. Clear? And in the last stage, when river reach at the sea, it divided into a many distributaries and into many branches. Okay, because in this stage the river cannot carry the load and it deposit. It is leads to the delta. Understood? The Sundar, this is the main river. The Sundarban delta is the largest delta in the world. Clear? So this is the work of a river. Now we will discuss the work of sea wave. सी वेव. ओके, सी वेव से जो बनने वाले लैंडस्केप हैं उनको देखते हैं. क्लियर? द वाटर ऑफ सी कंटिन्यूअसली इरोजन एंड डिपोजिशन. क्लियर? द वाटर ऑफ सी कंटिन्यूअसली इरोजन एंड डिपोजिशन. Sea waves continuously strike at the rocks. Cracks develop over time. They become large and wider. Thus, hollow-like caves are formed on the rocks. They are called sea caves. Sea caves. जो सी केव्स होती हैं वो जो समुद्र की लहरें होती हैं, वेव्स होती हैं, उनके द्वारा बनती हैं. क्योंकि जो सी का वाटर होता है वो भी कंटिन्यूअस डिपोजिशन और एरोजन करता है. नेक्स्ट, आर्चेस. दिस इज द लैंडस्केप मेड बाय द सी वेव्स. अंडरस्टूड? आर्क इज at these cavity become bigger and bigger. Only the roof of the caves remain, thus forming sea arches. Clear? And next, landscape made by the sea wave is the stack. Stacks. Stacks also form made by the sea waves. Clear? And the sea wave deposit also beaches. Okay, beaches are due to the sea waves deposit sediments along the shore. Clear? Next, we will discuss about the work of आइस. ओके, वर्क ऑफ आइस. आइस के द्वारा जो लैंडस्केप बनती हैं उनके बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं. ग्लेशियर आर रिवर्स ऑफ आइस. एज यू नो, द ग्लेशियर आर रिवर्स ऑफ आइस विच टू एरोड द लैंडस्केप बाय बुलडोजिंग सॉयल एंड स्टोन टू एक्सपोज द solid rock below. Glacier carve out deep hollows there. As ice melt, they get filled up with water and became beautiful lakes. There are a number of lakes in our country which formed by the ice, by the glacier. Okay, जब ग्लेशियर मेल्ट होते हैं तो रिवर्स में वाटर आता है और उससे जो रॉक्स होती हैं वो इरोड होने लगती हैं. अंडरस्टूड? वहाँ पर फिर जो मेल्टिंग आइस है उसका वाटर फिल हो जाता है और इससे बहुत ही सुंदर ब्यूटीफुल लेक्स बन जाते हैं. क्लियर? देयर आर सो मैनी लेक्स इन आवर कंट्री ऑल्सो विच इज मेड बाय द ग्लेशियर. द मटेरियल कैरीड बाय द ग्लेशियर such as rock big and small, sand and silt gets deposited. These deposits form glacial moraines. Glacial मोरेन्स, जो ग्लेशियर के द्वारा लैंडस्केप बनती हैं उनमें जो ग्लेशियल मोरेन्स है ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, दिस इज द वर्क ऑफ आइस. नेक्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द वर्क ऑफ विंड. वर्क ऑफ विंड, विंड के द्वारा बनने वाली डिफरेंट लैंडस्केप. ओके, an active agent of erosion and deposition in the desert is wind. In desert you can see rock in the shape of mushroom, clear, and mushroom rocks with wind erode the soil in the desert and make the sand dunes. Okay, because the soil of the desert is sandy soil, and when the wind blow over the desert, the hills of the sand is called the sand dune. You can see in the desert area in our country also, some part of Rajasthan, if you will go in Jaisalmer, you can see the sand dunes. So this is the work of wind. These were the landscape made by the wind. Thank you and have a nice day.